Alright guys, today I'm going to be answering a very frequently asked question. Why can I not set my house on fire with Amazon Alexa? Why I have this revolutionary design idea where you just set your whole house on fire so nobody can steal anything. Now in order to do this, I'm going to use the Amazon Echo Dot and then one of these power plugs, right? And then we're just gonna plug this in here like that, and then short these two wires with a very thin gauge wire. And then when you tell Alexa to turn that on, it's gonna make a big boom. So I'll just show you how to set this all up. I got my really thin gauge wire, and then I need some wire to extend the plug. This is my my brother's computer power plug that I stole. Don't tell him that, because I didn't want to screw up mine. Try and cut this in half right here. Plug this soldering iron in. I know many of you are probably thinking it might be a little bit dangerous setting your house on fire. Well, it's actually not, as long as you're not in it. Put some flux on these bad boys. Okay, we're gonna plug in the Amazon Alexa power thingy. Come over here. Just drag it all over everything. Then we got Amazon, or the Alexa Dot thing. Plugging that in. And then our ignition system. I really hope this plug is not on. That would be kind of upsetting. Okay, it's not on. We'll just set this over here on our mock-up house. Now I'm gonna grab some cardboard. Actually, we'll just go straight to the gasoline. This is a crucial part of the invasion system, is to always have upkeep on your gasoline supply on this, or else it will not ignite. We just want to pour just a little bit right there. Okay, perfect. And now, when I say, "Hey Alexa, turn on the ignition system," there you go. Now you have your house up in flames, and the insurance company has to deal with the problem now.